My name is Samarjit. I am from Glasgow, Chhattisgarh. Graduated in 2020 in Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. Currently working as a junior full stack developer at Tensorgo Technologies. Before 10x Academy, it was like I was unemployed, having a career gap of approximately of 2 years. So my main problem I was trying to solve is upskilling myself to get a good job as in the IT sector. I got a post in the Instagram about the 10x Academy as they were offering pay after placement, feature. So I go to their website and find other students' testimonials and contacted them. Then it felt good, so that's why I chose the 10x Academy. It was actually they helped pretty quite good in the understanding the ISA, because the ISA agreement itself is not a small agreement. It was about like 10-15 pages. So Tennis Academy briefly explained everything that is in the ISA and provided me smooth onboarding in the bootcamp. Starting off the bootcamp, I was not from a coding background, so it was difficult to understand even the basic concepts of programming. So in the first 2 months, the Tennis Academy arranged mentor session to like what are the problems we are facing. The mentors provided us help with that problems, kept us help in better understanding the logic itself. For the assignment, like it was like and any one of at least one mentor is available every time. So if we stuck in any problems, mentors would definitely help. Even after the boot camp hours, if we are stuck, there were at least one mentor will be available at any time who was willing to solve our problems. Every time they were available, and on one-on-one session, mentors also helped us like correcting our approach if we are missing something in the in approaching, like if we are failing in some test cases, how to think like that. They help quite a lot in that. So best thing was like no mentor ever provided us with the entire code. They just told us like improve this section of the code, or there is some problem in this section of the code. This is the problem. Like a particular part they were telling. They were never giving a exact code. That is the best thing I found, that because if exact codes were given, then I think we might not improve as much as we have improved in the past 6 months. So the best part I would say, like mentors availability at any time. Even on the day off, maximum most of the time there was a mentor available. If we are stuck at anything, they will help us a lot. And every mentor, like even also the student to mentor ratio, I think it's best and from anywhere. You can take any education at any college, any institute. I think it's best in the tennis. The mock interviews from starting, tennis would take mock interviews at least every once in a month, at least. So mock interview helps very good about understanding what kind of questions can be asked in an interview. Then after the mock interview, there were like communication communication skills to face which kind of questions will be asked in an HR interview, or behavioral kind of question were also a part of the communication process. And also like there are mentors who helped us improve our LinkedIn profile. So the overall experience is pretty good. So I would say never quit, because at starting it will feel overwhelming. You won't understand. Even at this stage, I am still think I have a lot of room to improve. So that's the one thing I would say, like, don't quit. So from starting to this point of say, I would say like NF Academy would it helped me in every aspect of getting a placement. For example, from start they teach us about like data structures and algorithms. Then moving forward, they helped us in improving our communications. Then our web technology skill was also taken care of. Then our online presence in the LinkedIn, then our GitHub profile, everything was taken care of in the Tennis Academy. So it was a great experience.